If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. What's going on, JGTechBlog? It's your boy JG, and we're here at CES 2019. We're at the booth for the Nubia X, and this is the newest smartphone they have. And we have a rep right now, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about the dual screen phone. This is a really cool phone that they just came out with, and we're going to have him tell you a little bit more about it.
Hey guys, so this is the first dual screen of this kind that has been launched in China. The main functionality for the dual screen was we wanted to get rid of the notch and create an almost bezel-less experience for the user. So we should have a real clean-cut view of the front screen here. Another function of it is the back actually doubles as more controls. So during gaming, any kind of games that you're going to play on the device, you actually have triggers on the back glass right here. So that comes in very good handy there. Here's a front-facing camera. So we have two cameras. There's a 16 megapixel and a 24 megapixel. So they actually supplement each other depending on what you're shooting, whether it's a person or a setting. To switch here, you simply click the switch button here at the top. Go back to your front-facing screen here. And now you have a nice display here up front.
So the front-facing camera is in. By the way, is there a back and is there a front?
There's no front-facing. It's a rear-facing.
Got it.
But technically, when you turn the phone, that becomes the front. So doubles as both here. This is Android run. This is 8.1 software, so it's the Oreo, I believe, that's on here right now. And just a beautiful phone. The screen. This is a LCD screen in front, and then it's the AMOLED LED that's in back.
And the 8.1, is that just like stock, or do you guys have also some bloatware maybe on the phone?
No, no bloatware or anything like that. 8.1 is stock. These phones, some of these are hooked up to internet here at the convention, some aren't. So I believe there's actually another update available right now for this. So they're just constantly updating and changing software from this phone.
So a little bit about the processor and how fast, the gigahertz, the RAM.
Okay, so it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. Very, very high-speed processor. Our battery's a 3800 mAh, so that's very strong as well. 6 hours of continuous gaming, and then on standby, the phone's good for 2 days. As far as the memory, so this model right here, the Nubia X, this is our highest-end model, the X. This one starts at $599. This one has 128 gigs of internal RAM with 6 gigs, internal memory with 6 gigs of RAM. And then we go up in increments all the way up to 512 gigabytes and then 64 gigabytes of RAM.
Wow.
So extremely fast for a phone, yeah.
What's the price on the 64 gigabyte of RAM?
I'm not sure at this current time since it hasn't been released in the U.S. I'm assuming approximately anywhere around $800 US, most likely. So if this one's at $499, probably with the extra memory upgrades, probably about $799. So
are they planning on releasing this in the U.S. market?
Yes. So this was supposed to be released this month, and now we're being told the end of Q1. So sometime around the end of February, March, these should be available in the U.S.
Is this for certain carriers in the U.S.?
Yeah, they're trying to debate all that right now. So they're going to speak with Verizon, Sprint, AT&T, kind of see who wants to get it on the market. The Nubia X will also be available through Amazon, as well as directly through their website. So.
And the one that you can purchase on Amazon is most likely unlocked, right? So you can
we hope so. That we're not sure if we're going to sell it unlocked or if it's going to be from somebody else. So.
I see. Okay, so right now, if somebody wants to get this phone, the Nubia X with the dual screen, they are not able to, or are they able to?
In China, yes. In China, we're sold out. In the States, not at this time. So that'll come in about the end of Q1.
That's all. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.